This video is on filing of updated income tax return. The government introduced a new scheme which permitted all taxpayers to file an updated return within 24 months from the end of the relevant assessment year. In Union Budget 2025, deadline for taxpayers to file updated income tax return has been extended from 24 months to 48 months from the end of the relevant assessment year. New provision allows the taxpayers to update or file their income tax returns on payment of additional taxes in case of errors or omissions. The provisions of updated ITR are available in Section 139, subsection 8A, read with Section 140B of the Income Tax Act. The scheme has been introduced with the object of providing an opportunity for voluntary compliance to the taxpayers so that they may rectify their errors or omissions and thereby reduce litigation. So taxpayers can now file updated income tax return up to 48 months from the end of the relevant assessment year. Updated return can be filed by any person within 48 months from the end of the relevant assessment year, whether or not an original, revised or belated return has been furnished under Section 139 for such assessment year. An ITRU can be filed if the return was previously not filed, or if the return was filed but the income was not reported correctly, or a wrong head of income was chosen in the earlier income tax return. Updated income tax return can also be filed to reduce carry forward losses, reduce unabsorbed depreciation, or to reduce tax credit under Section 115JB or 115JC. Updated income tax return can also be filed if the rate of tax which was reported earlier was not correct. However, an updated income tax return cannot be filed if it is a return of loss or if it is a nil return. Updated income tax return cannot have the effect of decreasing the total tax liability determined on the basis of return furnished for the relevant assessment year, or resulting in refund or increasing the refund due on the basis of return furnished for the relevant assessment year. Taxpayer cannot file an updated income tax return in case a search or seizure, or in case where any prosecution proceedings have been initiated. It is to be noted, updated income tax return cannot be filed after 36 months from the end of the relevant assessment year if a notice to show cause under Section 148A of the Income Tax Act has been issued. However, if an order is passed under Section 148A subsection 3 determining that it is not appropriate to issue a notice under Section 148, an updated return may still be filed within 48 months from the end of the relevant assessment year. We have received certain queries from taxpayers that can they file an updated income tax return under new or old tax regime, or can they change the tax regime in ITRU. Please note, a taxpayer has to choose the tax regime within the due date prescribed as per Section 139(1) of the Income Tax Act. Once chosen within the due date, the taxpayer cannot change the regime after the due date. As updated income tax return is filed after due date, tax regime cannot be changed. For non-business taxpayers who are filing ITR 1 or ITR 2, option for choosing the tax regime can be exercised every year in the income tax return itself. In these cases, the individual taxpayers are given the choice of changing the tax regime in ITR only till the last date prescribed by the Act under Section 139 subsection 1 for that assessment year. For taxpayers having business income where they are filing ITR 3 and ITR 4, option for changing the tax regime is provided only once by filing the form for the relevant financial year within the prescribed due date under Section 139 subsection 1 for that assessment year. We have also received the queries as to how many times can I file ITRU for the same assessment year. Please note, the e-filing portal will not allow to file ITR under Section 139 subsection 8A more than one time. Kindly refer to the relevant provisions of the Income Tax Act and income tax rules. Also, some of the taxpayers have asked that can I file ITRU if I do not have any tax payable? Please note, if your total tax is adjusted with TDS credit and you do not have any additional tax liability, you cannot file ITRU. While filing ITRU, a taxpayer is also required to pay additional taxes. A taxpayer will be required to pay an additional tax of 25% of the aggregate of tax and interest due if the updated ITR is filed within 12 months from the end of the relevant assessment year. This additional amount of 25% of aggregate of tax and interest due is increased to 50% if ITRU is filed after 12 months but before 24 months from the end of the relevant assessment year. As per Finance Act of 2025, if the ITRU is filed after 24 months but before 36 months, the taxpayer is required to pay an additional 60% of the aggregate tax and interest due. However, if the ITRU is filed after 36 months but before 48 months, the taxpayer shall pay an additional 70% of the aggregate of tax and interest due. In order to file an ITRU on the e-filing portal, a taxpayer is required to be registered on the e-filing portal. Let us now look at step by step how do we file ITRU. The first step will be to download the ITRU Excel utility, fill it and generate the JSON file. At the second step, we would be required to upload the JSON file on the e-filing portal, complete the verification and then submit the return. Let us first see the first step, how do we download the ITRU Excel utility and how do we enter the relevant details and generate the JSON file. In order to download the ITRU utility, you are required to go to the e-filing portal homepage and click on Downloads button. On the left hand side of the screen, you are required to click on Income Tax Returns. Select the relevant assessment year from the drop down menu and then click on the relevant common offline utility and select the ITR applicable to you. After clicking on Utility Excel based, an Excel file will be downloaded in your system. Once the utility is downloaded in your system, you are required to go to the download section of your computer, click on the downloaded file and open the Excel utility in your system. You are now required to prepare the updated ITR in Excel utility, validate it and generate the JSON file. You can also import the pre-fill data in the Excel utility by clicking on Import Pre-fill. To download pre-fill data, you can follow the path, go to e-file, Income Tax Return and then go to Download Pre-fill Data. After downloading the pre-fill data, you can click on Calculate Tax. You are required to make sure that you have no taxes due before filing the updated return. Once you click on OK, you will be able to see the tax calculation. Based on the tax calculations, you are required to make the payment of taxes and add the details of the challan paid with the BSR code, date of deposit, serial number of the challan and amount at serial number 14 of the Excel file. After having done that, you can validate the JSON. Once you've already generated the JSON file, now you're required to upload this file on the e-filing portal and then complete the verification. Now you're again required to go to the e-filing portal, post login, go to e-file, click on Income Tax Return and click File Income Tax Return. Here you are required to select the assessment year, select section 139(8)(a) updated return and filing type. You are also required to select whether you are audited under section 44(a)(b), select the ITR type and then click on Continue button. Now you are required to attach the JSON file created by you and saved in your system and then click on Proceed to Verification. Once the validation is successful, you can click on Proceed to Verification. Here you are required to select the verification method, then click on Continue button. You may select the appropriate method of verification and then submit the button. Please note that once you submit the return, you can no longer modify the details. Post submission, you will get a success message that you have successfully filed and verified your return. Now you can download the receipt for acknowledgement number of the filed return. Filing of ITRU is very easy. To know more, you can visit our website www.incometax.gov.in or contact our helpline numbers.